Welcome! In this tutorial video I would like to explain to you how you can change the background of the to-do slice views and the 3D rendering in the Imalytics Preclinical software. I will open the software first, and then I will open an example dataset under Tutorials, General, Introduction, Load Example Dataset. Let me open the 3D rendering. I will rotate it a little bit to have a nice position. And you see here that we have in red signals from FDG, and we also have here in green iodine and in blue technetium. And by default we have a black background in the 2D slice views and in the 3D rendering. But for some applications it might be necessary to change the background. For example, first I will change the background of the 2D slice view to white. Therefore I go to View, Slice Views, Set Background Color. And here you can select a white background. Of course you can also select any other color if needed. I will save a screenshot and then I will show you later. And for the 3D rendering, we have to go to 3D, set background color, and I want to change it to a transparent background. So therefore you have to pick the white color, but then you have to change the alpha channel from 255 to 0. Let me save a screenshot. And then I will copy it to a PowerPoint presentation to make it more clear. Let me delete the old images. And now we have here the white background of the 2D slice view, and for the 3D rendering a transparent background. And yeah, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.